เขาเรียนมีวันกันกวดเลยกับเม็ดลาละกับไอ้ทารา so เทพิจมาเทมเม็ดเซน so this is fig all the way from Chin State it's sent by my uncle I have the best uncle in the world so now I'm gonna take out the skin because I don't like the skin you can eat it but after this I will put this somewhere in the world. Okay. Put it right here. Let me cut it open and I will let you guys see what's inside. This is what fig look like in chin. So I'm gonna do the first bite. I'm gonna do a big bite. I grew up eating this. The best time to harvest is around August. That's when all the rainy season start and they get so good and sweet. And most of the time you can get in the forest.
I'm Deborah.
What? So it was shipped all the way back. So it's kind of like some of them are not good, but guess what? First of all, let me see what the inside look like. If it's black, I don't want it. Oh, this is the good one. This is what the inside look like.
White.
White. Red on the outside, white on the second layer, and orange and yellowish brown inside. So this fruit have multiple personality like me. Boys, don't be scared. I'm just kidding. Be scared.
I like how she compares herself with this fruit. That's kind of romantic, poetic.
Thanks, Boo. She's an English major, so everything is poetic. Everything that she sees, she look for poetic.
She discovered herself in this fruit by eating this fruit.
Okay, now I'm gonna let my friend taste. The one holding the video, I'm gonna take out the skin for her because I'm that nice of a friend in this world.
Get you a friend who cares for you, loves you,
Who hold your video for
take
you.
care of you, who's holding a video for you.
Yes.
And get
Okay.
you an aunt
No,
like her. Who
Oh
buys
no,
you-
let me do another one. This one I don't really like because it's not that sweet.
It's okay.
No, Boo. See that? That's how much I love her.
See, get you a friend who will find the best of the best for you.
Yeah. If you cannot find it, come to me. I will help you find it. Maybe I will be one. You never know. Because, you know, in the end, it doesn't matter. Because we're all gonna die. So you might as well find a best friend like me before you die.
Y'all, please. She has too many friends.
What do you mean? I only have like couple thousands of friends. It's gonna be the best. Juicy, fresh, as you can see.
Crunchy, the seeds.
And I'm gonna turn the video and she's gonna try. Here, bro.
So y'all, this is the best thing ever. It's the best. Okay.
Tell us about what it tastes like.
It almost tastes like wine.
Huh?
Why?
Wine? Okay, you have drank wine before? Wow, alcoholic. Anyway, describe what you feel inside your tongue.
Okay. The first layer is really soft. I think my favorite part is the seeds. It's very crunchy. When you eat it, you can feel the crunchiness of the seeds. So good. And it's kind of sweet. And I don't know, it has like wine taste.
Wine?
Yeah, wine. Yeah.
Wow. This is her first time, by the way, guys. So for me, it's been 12 years since I left my city, my village. So it's been 12 years. I tried this. So the last time I ate was around maybe when I was 7 or 8. And now I'm 21 and this is my first time eating.
This is a birthday gift.
Yeah.
From a special friend.
Is it good, bro?
Oh. But I'm very full.
Yeah, but I'm gonna eat more.
I just ate rice. So.
What did you eat? Rice and what? What is that?
Chicken. It's, I think, baked chicken, toasted chicken.
Wow.
And this is the sauce. It's so good together. And you also eat with pepper. It's the best. Spicy, chewy.
And bro,
buy yourself some chicken.
Can you explain this in Cayenne, please?
Which one?
This.
Oh.
Do you guys have a name for this? Okay then.
That kind, you know, look like whether a decent whether a little chin or mono haka gone. Whether by hanya talo pai chin or by say whether little ka tola ka budon by senior bobuano. When he had a loyima, that kind of work or done I forget the name in Korean.
Really? Yeah, I saw it in Pa'an, so I bet they grow here. They grow in Kren too.
Yeah, we fermented this with salt in the water, and we eat it with rice as vegetable.
Wow. Yeah. They need to learn that in Chin so they can, preserve and
it's
maybe.
So good. It's the best thing ever. But they also eat the ripe ones. Yeah.
These are ripe, right?
But how do you call it? Seriously.
Well, she's not real Korean, guys. I'm sorry.
I'm real Korean, but I forgot.
Fake Korean. I'm just kidding.
My friend.
So this is we call this in Chin. We call this Thai. Koram ko hol zitin na ausim ahi.
Hold on, pime call me.
Call hol in.
Call the end later.
Okay, bye guys. Say bye to my vlog.
Bye. Please remember me. My name is Nessa.
And she's taken by my uncle that sent this.
So someone's calling.
Oh!
Hey, my friend. Let me show you, okay, what we're eating. Yes. What's up?